I'm Bonnie from Hannells. We're here today to look at 88 Allestree, a lovely 5-bedroom family home. Before we go inside, take a look at the views. So downstairs we have the kitchen breakfast room, lounge dining room, sitting room and study with access to the garage. So this is the lounge diner with a lovely fireplace, and take a look over here at the fantastic views. So down here we have the final reception room with a beautiful period fireplace, and take advantage again of the lovely views. Also behind me here is a good size study, ideal for anybody working from home. So this was the downstairs. Let's take a look upstairs. Let's start in bedroom number 1. Just imagine waking up to these views. And through here we have one of my favourite rooms, the guest bedroom. We have 3 further bedrooms, a family bathroom and additional shower room. And finally we'll take you to the front courtyard where there's 2 single garages and parking. Thank you for viewing 88 Allestree.